Good morning, Shem Stars. Under the heading of Chapter 17, Breathing and Exchange of Gases, we have already discussed different volumes and capacities in the previous presentation. In this presentation, we will talk about exchange of gases in tissues. Alveoli are the primary sites of exchange of gases. Exchange of gases also occur between blood and tissues. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged in these sites by simple diffusion, mainly based on pressure concentration gradient. Pressure contributed by an individual gas in a mixture of gases is called partial pressure and is represented by PO2 for oxygen and PCO2 for carbon dioxide as clearly mentioned in the slide. Partial pressures of these two gases in the atmospheric air and two sites of diffusion are different. Oxygen diffuses from alveoli to blood down its pressure gradient, whereas carbon dioxide diffuses from blood to alveoli down its pressure gradient. Or we can understand this in simple language. A gradient is present for carbon dioxide in the opposite direction, that is, from tissues to blood and blood to alveoli. As the solubility of carbon dioxide is 20 to 25 times higher than that of oxygen, the amount of carbon dioxide that can diffuse through the diffusion membrane per unit difference in partial pressure is much higher compared to that of oxygen. The diffusion membrane is approximately 1 millimeter or less than 1 millimeter in thickness. It is made up of three major layers: thin squamous epithelium of alveoli, the endothelium of alveolar capillaries, and a basement substance in between them. Solubility of gases as well as the thickness of the membranes involved in diffusion are some important factors that can affect the rate of diffusion. Therefore, all the factors in our body are favorable for diffusion of oxygen from alveoli to tissues and that of carbon dioxide from tissues to alveoli. So children, this is all about the exchange of gases. I hope you must have understood. In the next presentation, we will talk about transport of gases, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide in body. Thank you, Shem Stars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Take care.